Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is get ready with me for the wedding that I'm going to go for. I'll talk about each and every product that I will be using. Before starting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. सारा मेकअप इस बॉक्स में है जो कि मैं आज यूज करूंगी. First, I'll just moisturize my face. I'm taking this Good Vibes Skin Glow Serum. It has tea tree also, which will help in the acne. You just need few drops for your whole face. This is like 4 drops that I'm taking and gently just massaging it on my hands and patting it all over my face for a glow. Apply some lip balm and I'm using the Blue Heavens lip balm. I actually love these. It's really lightweight. Gives instant hydration to the lips. Moisturizer, I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer. It's really good, it's really hydrating. Love it on my skin. बहुत ही थोड़ा लिया है and just gently patting it and then massaging it. Below makeup Cetaphil moisturizer बहुत अच्छा ले करता है on my skin and I am using it for like 5-6 सालों से. It's so good. I'll let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes and तब तक I'll go with my eyes. So I'll be using this Estee Lauder foundation for my eyelids also. I'll just place it and blend it out. ये थोड़ा uneven भी हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं because I'll be carving my eyebrows later on. Just applied a lot of amount of product and now I let it sit for just 5 to 10 seconds. The Makeup Revolution palette for my eyes, just gently using a light eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow base to just set it on my eyelids. Highlighting my brow bone first. I'm going for a very neutral look, so I'll use just only one shadow, basically 2 shadow just for some definition, that will be brown, and then applying the glitter. It's a very basic, very beginner friendly neutral look, nothing sorts of advanced level. बहुत ही basic एक आई shadow लेके I'll just blend out all over outer corner part पे और थोड़ा inner corner पे I'll just use it. जितना आराम से ब्लेंड करोगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा ट्रांजिशन आएगा and it will look more good. I'm gonna use some concealer or foundation to cut the crease and I'm using this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. This is what it looks like. Let me blend it out just for any harsh edges using the brown on the outer ones to just blend the concealer. Taking some metallic eyeshadow on the brush and spritzing some spray to get the maximum metallicness out of it and just gently applying it all over the concealed area. Take that brown shadow again and start blending it out from outwards to inwards so that there are no harsh lines. This is looking good as it is, really like it. If you are a beginner and you do not want to apply glitters, I think this is perfect. This is the shade that I will be going with. I'm using this Makeup Studio 2-way gel to apply the glitter, just taking really small amount area. I'll be evenly applying the gel, trying not to move past from there. I'll just gently tap it over the metallicness. हल्का हल्का प्रेस करूंगी gently ताकि एक even out look आए. And just blending the harsh edges ताकि बहुत ही seamless finish लगे, कुछ भी ओवर ना लगे. एंड अगर कोई फॉल आउट भी होगा ना वो हम बाद में रिमूव कर लेंगे. नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट दैट. I'll complete this दूसरी eyes में and I'll come back. Almost my eyes are done and now I'll be going ahead with the face. It's been 15 minutes or so that I've applied the moisturizer as well as the serum. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Primer in Dewy and Smooth. It's really good, evens out the skin and gives a really good, nice base to the face. I've also done a review on this. I'll link it down below. It's not कि मैं इस वीडियो में सारा ड्रग स्टोर या सारा हाई एंड यूज कर रही हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ व्हाट आई फील इज फॉर माई फेस एंड currently I'm obsessing over this primer. It's really good. Using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So high coverage, so good, flawless on the skin. I always trust this foundation. It's magic in the bottle. I'm dotting it all over the face and just blending it out. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर बहुत ही सीमलेस और इवन आउट फिनिश देता है एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू ब्लेंड इट रियली क्विकली. I've just applied a single layer, not the double layer, क्योंकि मुझे इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं चाहिए. And I will conceal some of the areas using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is what I used on my eyes and now I'll be using it on my face. I'll use it just under my eyes for a brightened effect. Bridge of my nose, forehead, chin. I love concealers. I mean, instead of foundation, I can use the concealer all over my face, just little amount, and it goes a long way. I'll set my under eyes using the Bharat and Doris loose powder in shade 05. It's my absolute fave. Taking it on the sponge and then gently pressing it all over under my eye area. And my lines ताकि it will not crease for the whole night. Slightly used it. I'm not baking it that much. I'm just gently pushing the product ताकि it will just settle. For bronzer, I'm using the Sugar Mini Bronzer. This is what it looks like. I'm absolutely loving this bronzer. Taking it on the brush like this. Now I'll take some of the powder and just cut from here to give a more defined look. Using the same brush to contour my nose. I just roughly draw 2 straight lines. Blend outwards and on my nostrils. Like this. This is something what I saw on the Nikki tutorials and I like to do it for more chiseled nose look. Now taking the blush from Benefit and swirling it around and just applying it. I would love to use that lipstick hack as a blush just beneath the makeup. I'll try it sometime soon to see if it works or not. I make sure that I apply a lot of it because it can stay up for the whole night. Now that I've applied the blush, I'll go ahead with the highlighter and I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter. I've been using it for I don't know how many years. I absolutely love this highlighter. I've already hit pan on it. You just need a small amount and it is done. Just using it on the high points of my cheek. I'll spread some setting spray later on and redo it. This is just like a layer. Some on my nose, on the tip, on my cupid's bow, and on the chin. Using a clean fluffy brush, I'll remove all the excess powder that can be there on the face. I recently got this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. Though it's a drugstore brand, I'm absolutely loving this. It works really good. Just spray quite a heavy amount on your face and let it sit for some time so that your makeup can mesh. Highlighting it again on the top of my cheekbones. See, love it now. Let me just zoom you in. See. Using the Milani pomade for brushing out my brow. Just filling in the gaps. Now I'll just highlight my inner corner slightly. Just aligning my eyes because I'll be using falsies. Taking the same eyeshadows, I'll be just smoking out my lower lash line. And some nude kajal. I'll apply some falsies off camera using the Benefit Lash Glue. I've applied the lashes, smoked out my lower lash line, as well as applied the mascara, so my eyes are looking really dramatic. For my lipstick today, I'll be using a nude shade and I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Bond Girl. Let me zoom you in how my makeup is looking. So guys, this is how my makeup is looking. I'm absolutely loving the eyeshadow as well as it's complementing the lipstick. So guys, this is my final look. Absolutely love it. Clip included somewhere of my full house outfit. This is from Frontier Ras. Absolutely love it. And guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.